Basically, I work with players, like a pro players, major leaguer and minor leaguers, college player and young kids. Is kind of my teacher. 80% of my design is from player. I love baseball, not only glove, but baseball, play and so on. I love to help players because I love baseball glove.
What's more amazing than a home run in the game of baseball? An amazing glove by a fielder, literally and figuratively. Iconic Gold Glove medalists and players rely on a solid brand in the game that has been around for more than 100 years. This glove has also evolutionized the game of baseball and technology for baseball. For years, glove companies have tried using materials and products to gain an advantage on the Wilson glove and the Super Skin gloves, but haven't come close. This is where a Wilson glove is different than any other glove in the market today. Their advantage is the great product and quality they offer, athlete endorsements, and diverse brand identity. The baseball market has changed with Wilson because of its great features that don't set back the player. The superskin material doesn't allow the glove to weigh heavier when wet from water or dirt and debris to stick to the glove when on the field. Athletes tend to love the Wilson glove more because of also the customizable option, which many other competitors do not offer. With this option, you could put your name, different colors, lacing colors, and more. Wilson gloves have these products for any baseball enthusiast. Wilson gloves satisfy the consumer with a great glove in the market that is a quality and differentiated product. The customizing option allows a consumer to have more options from the glove, including color, preference, style, and fitment of the glove. The brand is strong in the market because of a noble guy named Aso. The creator of Superskin is passionate about the gloves and the market for baseball today. And that concludes the competition. Thank you. And here are my references.